Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to format your text in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Trello website and then just connect with your Trello account. And if you don't already have an existent account, just connect with your Google, Facebook or Apple account. Otherwise, you can just sign up with your email and create a new account. So now, after you succeed in connecting to your workspace in Trello, we will need just to follow these simple steps. And basically, we need to go to your boards. So by being in your workspace and clicking on it here in the workspaces, you will find your boards here. And basically, you will need to choose the boards where you want to work. And basically, I'm choosing this board. And now I'm going to this list. And basically, I'm going to choose a card. And now we can start as you know, in the description we can format our text. So here I'm going just to view some edits, and as you can see those are just some here. And basically in this section you can format your text, and of course they are giving you many styles of text like headings, etc. Those are some font styles like bold, italic, and code or strike through. And here is the listing as a bullet list, etc. So basically, let's just write our text, and then either you can start doing it from the beginning and it will be formatted, or you can just wait uh, until you are writing everything and typing it, and then you can start formatting your text basically like that. You can give it a heading or a text style. You can make it a bullet list. For example, if let's start a bullet list now. Let's just give it like that. As you can see, 3, etc. 2, 3, 4, until you delete it. And of course you can insert other things like the code snippets to add some code section, like you are going to add some programming code, etc. Those are the quotation marks if you are going to mention a member, etc. And of course there are also emojis if you want to add them, etc. So basically, after you finish formatting your text with these tricks or these ways, all you will need to do now is to click on save, and this way you have your text that is formatted here in the description. So basically this is how you can format the text here in Trello web application. So thank you for watching and see you next time.